Understanding Remote Internships, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very contemporary and relevant topic: remote internships. Whether you're a student, a job seeker, or just curious about the modern workplace, this video will help you understand what remote internships are and how they function. So, let's dive in. A remote internship is a type of work experience where the intern, or the person doing the internship, works from a location outside the physical office of the company or organization. Unlike traditional internships where you need to be present in an office, remote internships are done via the internet using computers, and you can be located anywhere in the world. This flexibility is what makes remote internships unique and increasingly popular. Remote internships offer several advantages. Firstly, they provide access to opportunities regardless of where you live. Whether you're in a small town or a different country, you can intern for organizations worldwide. Secondly, they offer flexibility in terms of work hours and environment, making it easier to balance work with studies or other commitments. Lastly, they help in developing digital communication skills, which are essential in today's digital world. However, remote internships come with their own set of challenges. The most significant is the lack of face-to-face interaction, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or feelings of isolation. Additionally, being disciplined and managing time effectively becomes crucial, as remote work requires a high degree of self-motivation and organization. To succeed in a remote internship, there are some key strategies to follow. Firstly, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and a quiet workspace. Communication is key, so regularly check in with your supervisor and team. Be proactive in asking questions and seeking feedback. Lastly, manage your time efficiently and create a schedule that helps you stay on track. I hope this video has helped you understand what remote internships are and how they can be a great opportunity for professional growth and learning, especially in our increasingly digital world. Remember, whether you're working remotely or in an office, the key to success lies in your dedication and ability to adapt. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. See you next time.